The following segment is sponsored by Parris RV. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, it's really not mine. I wish it was. I'm here with Brett from Parris RV. Brett, I don't want to leave this space. This RV is so incredible.
Yeah, you know, I've seen a lot of RVs in my life, and I've seen a lot of toy haulers in my life, and this one is truly extra special. I've never seen anything like it. Absolutely amazes me. It's a 2021 Valor, and the model's called a 41V15. It's made by Alliance. Super high quality, super high tech. You're going to absolutely love it.
Well, you just look at the space around here. So this kitchen area, I mean, like if you want extra counter space, that pops up. You got bar stools. You put them right there, and then check out this theater seating.
You know, you got nice recliners after a long day's ride. You know, you come back from a ride with your UTV, you got to have a nice place to relax. You know, you can put your recliners out, watch your nice TV.
Yeah.
You got a nice high-end sound system. You've got a fireplace underneath, which will give you free electric heat if you're running your generator or if you're in an RV park.
Keep you cozy.
Keep you cozy. Of course, you got 3 air conditioners on the roof. I mean, you don't see that very often. Absolutely amazing with a power management thing to handle all 3 of them, which is nice. And then, of course, these guys are the masters of 12 volt. And so you've got this super high-end.
I mean, check out this fridge.
Yeah, deluxe 12 volt fridge. You've got 3 TVs that are 12 volt. Really everything. You got a nice high-end pantry here.
Plenty of space. Let's talk about the bedroom too.
Yeah, and don't forget the residential appliances.
Yeah.
I mean, it's hard to even, you know, it's just so much stuff. But
there's so much stuff.
You work your way up the stairs, and you've got a residential-style bathroom that is just amazing. It's got a nice fiberglass surround shower with a, or base shower with a fold-down seat.
With a bench, just in case you take a break.
Nice tile look on the back wall, which is pretty cool. Lots of storage. Really a nice bath.
How many does this sleep, Brett?
Well, you know, you've got your upper bedroom, which has a king bed, and I love the fact that it has windows all the way around that king. 3 windows. You typically don't see that.
Right.
And then it's got a really nice, front closet in there with washer-dryer hookups. And let's don't forget about all the stuff on the outside of this thing.
Well, I mean, I feel like you've got fold-outs everywhere. So this is good for, like, extended camping, right?
You know, this is made to head out in the desert, be there for an extended period of time. It's got 100 gallons of water. It's got dual fuel pumping station tanks. It's got 60 gallons of fuel. One's for your 5,500 Cummins Onan generator that's on board. You've got 640 watts of solar on the roof with a lithium battery. It's got auto low voltage detection start on the generator, so it'll fire the generator up.
Yeah.
Automatically charge your lithium batteries up real quick. You've got 6-point auto level, hydraulic auto level. You've got, of course, 3 slide outs. You've got 3 power awnings. It's got an air compressor outside on board with a little tank, you know, for sand. If you got to have your tires lower pressure on sand and higher in the dirt, so you got your own air compressor on board. Really everything you can think of.
Really everything. Now I know this is a toy hauler, so we better check out that toy hauler space. Should we go?
Let's go check it out.
Okay. Okay, Brett. This space is huge. What can we fit in here?
You know, really about anything. This is a true 15-foot garage because you've got wall-to-wall in this wide-body toy hauler.
Yeah.
And then a true 15 feet of cargo. So like a big 4-seat UTV will fit in here, 4 ATVs, paddle boards, kayaks, the monster barbecuer, all your kids' bikes, toys, whatever. But probably the most common thing would be a big 4-seat UTV, maybe some, paddles and everything on it will fit in here, no problem.
All your stuff, basically.
All your
and you
stuff.
can fit people because it sleeps how many with these beds?
You know, so you got 2 more queen beds back here, so that gives you 8 sleeping if you don't count the theater seats, which I'd probably sleep in those. But
right.
You hit a button and those dual electric beds come down. The top one is a queen, and you can leave it up top. The bottom one comes down, and then the back turns into a dinette, or you can make it a bed. This can be a little mother-in-law spot back here. It can be the extra family, your neighbors or whatever, because they've got a half bath. They've got an extra private entrance. You've got a 3rd TV, a 3rd air conditioner. Of course, it's heated. And you've got that super high-end patio deck with the 3 season doors.
I mean, really, this is luxury at its finest. Brett, if we want to take a look at this, where can we find you?
Yeah, Parris RV has 2 great locations in Murray, but this one's at our North store, which is 4360 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Awesome. I'm moving in. I'll move all my stuff into this. Should fit it. Brett, thanks so much.
Thank you.